Alright guys, so we're going to be doing a gaming review of the Moto E6. So this is the Moto E6 on Boost Mobile. So let's go ahead and do some quick gaming reviews. So let's go ahead and just start with PUBG right out of the gate. So here we go. Let's see how well it can handle it. Wow, that's pretty cool. You can actually see, it looks like, what is that, the proximity sensor or something like that? I can't even see it here in real life, but through, I guess, the camera says it's 60 frames per second and catches it or something, so that's pretty cool. So I'll go ahead and start it once we're in the game. Alright, so now that we're actually in here, let's go ahead and see how it is. So pretty cool. And while this is loading, guys, let me go ahead and talk to you guys about our new sponsor. So Honey is a free web browser extension that will find you the best promo codes on popular shopping websites like Amazon, Boost Mobile, Best Buy, and many more. Get it today at joinhoney.com/ref/dragonic. That will be in the description below, guys. I've saved $40 on the A20 that way. You can too. So check it out. It's totally free. And once you make your first purchase, I will get a small commission. So check it out. Description below. So here we go, guys. Now that we're in here, of course, they're changing the skin on the airplane, which is pretty cool. Hopefully we can find somebody pretty quick. Do we want to jump together? No. I like going solo. Nope. Alright, so let's go ahead and see how good it looks, and hopefully you guys can hear me pretty good. I don't have my external mic, and I'm still feeling a little kind of congested, so bear with me, guys. But here we go. Let's go ahead and check it out. So far so good. I mean, not much lag. Yes, of course this is on low details, so don't think that you can play this on high or medium. So let's just go ahead and find some places here. Now let's just go here, I guess, because we'll be able to find some people pretty fast, But you can see, not much lag, just a little bit here, a lot of pop-ins here and there. So I guess that's pretty. Oh, there's an enemy right there already. So as you can see, someone landed here as well with me. So, didn't find any guns or anything. But I know there's somebody in here. Hopefully we can find a gun or something. There we go. Whoa, so wow, this thing lags horribly. So it does lag quite a bit, as you can see. But I mean, overall, you can definitely play it. It's playable. It does lag quite a bit. But hey, it'll do fine for what we needed to. I'm pretty sure that was a robot. It was a bot. But hey, who's counting? That's definitely worth a kill right there. Let's see if we can find better guns somewhere else. But you can see the first shot that I took, I mean, it was definitely pretty laggy. So in a real competitive environment, whoa. In a real competitive environment, you don't want that. Look at this guy shooting. There we go. That's definitely worth a kill there. So I don't think that guy was actually a bot, because he was kind of decked out in gear. But overall, pretty exciting, I would say. So I don't know why he was trying to, kill me with that gun. I definitely had a shotgun on him, so, definitely got him there. But overall, I would say it's definitely playable. I guess once everything loads up in the game. No issues there. So I would say definitely it's playable. Yep. Maybe just a couple stutter here and there when you first start it, but definitely PUBG is, it's good to go. So let's go ahead and try Asphalt 9 and see how it is. So same thing, I'll load up once I get into the game, guys. So here we go, guys, Asphalt 9. So I did pick out the car and everything, so we're about to go ahead and start a race pretty soon and see how well it does. Overall, the phone is getting a little warmer, like they all do around the camera area. This is mainly where the battery's at and processor, I'm guessing. So it is heating up a little bit, but we'll see how that goes. So as you can see, it's still loading, but here we go. Let's go ahead and check it out and see what it is. Alrighty, so let's go. Alright, so definitely same thing, low resolution. You can definitely tell just by looking at it. Not even medium. So like I say, you definitely, will play this in low settings, just because it doesn't have that strong processor or anything like that, or RAM even. Whoo, destroy that guy. There we go. Look at that. Managed to get that win, guys. Definitely playable. It's pretty smooth, I would say. Not one, any like hiccups or anything. This is a pretty fast-paced game, so pretty fast race there. Let's do one more and see, how well that one does. So as you can see, boom, there you got that. Well, we should be good. Let's go do one more race. Then from there, we'll try at least one more game. If not, that should be good. I have to let that load. Alright, so here we go. Let's do one last race. So you got the little Lancer. Ooh. Going up against some pretty fast cars, so hopefully we can beat it, Missed it. Alright, so here we go. Everybody's using nitrous, I'm surprised this engine didn't blow yet. Whew, definitely enjoy the graphics and the gameplay, for what it is, guys. It's definitely playable. And, I think everybody will enjoy it. It's, as you can see, it's pretty smooth, even on this Moto E6. So that's pretty good. Let's go ahead and do one last game. We're just going to be Into the Dead. Or no, actually, let's do Modern Combat 5. That is a much more intensive graphic game, I would say. So I'll start it once it starts. Alright, so here we go. This is Modern Combat 5. A lot of games really can't handle this, or a lot of phones, at least budget ones, have trouble handling this game. So let's go ahead and see how it does. So you can see very low graphics here as well. So see if there's any kind of stutters. Does feel a little jittery here and there, but should be okay. There we go. Like I said, very low detail, but hey, I'm actually surprised. Like I said, I remember some smartphones that had very budget devices of like 2018, would stutter in this game just because of the graphics and all that stuff. So I'm really surprised that it can really handle it. So definitely, I would give it a passing grade if you want something really budget and you want to play some decent games on here. Like I said, don't expect any like high detail or high graphics or anything like that, but you know, it's definitely playable. As you can see here, as you can see, there's a little bit stutter here and there, but I mean, it's definitely playable. Remember, you probably want to get a case because this does tend to get warm. But overall, it's definitely playable, you know. But you can tell it's having uh, a lot more issues with this game than other ones. So I wouldn't recommend what's that called, Minecraft or anything like that. But it's definitely playable. Whoa. So pretty cool. I'll finish it there just because you know, I don't want to make this video too long, guys. But definitely, it's definitely playable. Let me know in the comments below what you think. But hey, this is Moto E6 on Boost Mobile. Like I said, you can definitely game on this thing, no problem. The only issues is it only has 16 gigs of internal storage. As you can see, I'm already getting the indicator that I'm running out of storage, and these are the only games I've downloaded so far. So yeah, take that for account. So